So remember this: Git works on your computer, GitHub works online. Those are the two difference, okay? So even if you didn't get anything out of out of the video, make sure you got this: that Git works on your computer, GitHub works online, okay? So I'm going to quickly show you something I wrote down so you can. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you can see this. So, but if you can't see it, what it just clearly says is Git tracks changes, GitHub stores and shares projects. Okay, so easy peasy. So stick around for more videos. Okay, now let's make this even easier with an example, right? So imagine you're writing a school project, right? Every time you make changes, you save a new version just in case something goes wrong, right? That is exactly what Git does. It keeps a history of every change you make to your project, right? So this is the project. This is my desktop. Then this is the project here. This one. So this is the projects folder. It's on my computer, and Git is tracking everything locally. Okay. So now let's switch to GitHub. Now this is the exact this is the exact now this is the exact project, except for now it's stored online, as you can see it. So GitHub allows me to save my project in the cloud, share it with other people, and even work with teammates from anywhere in the world. Okay. So a simple way to remember this is this: Git keeps track of your work. GitHub is where you store and share that work. I hope this is my VS Code, and this is the code base for this that I showed you earlier on this folder, right? For this, yeah, I showed you this on the folder. So let's go back here. So let's see how they work together, right? Git and GitHub. Let's see how they work together. Right now, I have this project on my computer, as you can see. So I'm going to make a small change. So this is the README. This is the README file. So let's go here and okay, let's change the name. Let's change it. Let's change it. Okay. So we've done that. So I've typed something very simple. So Git actually recognizes that I've made this change. Now, how do we do that? We go here, this three dots, we go here, new terminal. You can see it, right? Click on new terminal, then the new terminal opens. So it's showing this, which means we're in the right folder. Okay. So once once I'm happy, and since I'm happy with the little change I made, now let's create a commit. Okay, so a commit is simply a snapshot of my project at this moment. Okay, so let's put in the command. Just follow me. It's very simple. So we'll do git add, then dot, then enter. So it brings up a bunch of stuff. Then we put in the next command, say git commit, um, and we'll say updated readme. So enter. So are you seeing it? So the last but not the least, we do git push origin main, then we click enter too. So this is where the magic starts. Okay, this is where the magic starts. So we've done that here, right, on my VS Code terminal, right? So now let's quickly go back to my Git org profile. So let's quickly refresh. Let's quickly refresh. Let's quickly refresh, and then this is where the magic starts happening. It's loading. Let's give it a couple seconds. So it's done. So let's check if what we did actually committed. Oh, see it's readme, updated readme 1 minute ago. Then voila, then look at it, it's changed, right? So now the exact same changes that we did on our VS Code appeared on our GitHub. Okay, so it shows that, pardon, it shows that Git tracked the change and then GitHub stored it online. So that's basically how the two tools work together. Okay, so it's very, very simple. So let's do like a quick recap of everything I've been saying in the entire video. Okay, Git is the tool that tracks your every change you make to your code. If you make any single change, it tracks it immediately. You don't need to like start looking for the Control S button on your keyboard. Okay, it automatically saves it for you. Whereas GitHub, on the other hand, is a platform that stores your Git projects online and makes collaboration with other developers easier no matter where they are from, okay, no matter the country. Be it from New Zealand, be it from Brazil, be it from Argentina, you can easily collaborate with them. Okay, so remember this, Git works locally, okay, whereas GitHub, on the other hand, works online. They are two different tools, but they are designed to work together as a pair. Okay, so if this video helps you finally understand the difference between Git and GitHub, kindly give it a like, a subscribe, because in the next video I will show you exactly how to create your first Git repository from scratch. Okay, I'm going to be with you all the way. So thanks for watching, and I will see you